Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error. Third-party software is interfering with the Roblox. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, go to privacy and security. Go to Windows security. Virus and threat protection. Now on the virus and threat protection, you wanna click manage settings. Scroll down till you find exclusions, and you want to click here to add or remove exclusions. And now you want to click here, add an exclusion. You want to click folder. So you want to go to local disk C, users. This will be different for you, but for me it's Note 3. Now go to app data, local. Now here find Roblox, press R till you find Roblox. Open it. Now click on versions folder once and then click select folder. It'll be added to the list. Now exit out of this, restart your PC, and the issue should be fixed. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Roblox error. Third-party software is interfering with Roblox. Hope this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.